For some serious wood. Hey there, folks. Welcome back to BIgfoot Vlogs. Today we're heading deep into the snowy wilderness for some serious tree cutting action. Nothing beats the peaceful silence of a snowy forest, except maybe the sound of a good axe hitting wood. Now this here's a perfect specimen for our demonstration. Probably been standing for decades waiting for this moment. All right, folks, here we go with the first swing. Watch this beautiful slow motion action. Time for swing number 2. This one's going to be even more spectacular in slow motion. We're making real progress now. And can you feel the power in these swings? This tree doesn't stand a chance. This is it, folks. The final swing that will bring this giant down. Are you ready for this? Look at that. She's starting to give way. This is the moment we've been building up to.
And that's how you bring down a giant. What an incredible display of power and precision in slow motion. Now this magnificent giant has been waiting centuries for this moment. What a beast!
Time to wake up this mechanical monster, and she's hungry for some serious wood. Time to wake up this mechanical monster, and she's hungry for some serious wood. That's how you bring down a giant that's been standing since before America was founded.
Look at this incredible history. Each ring represents a year of growth, storms weathered, and seasons survived.